Go. Hi, I'm Pop!
I'm Map! Hello!
Hello! And we're back for another reaction video to Beanie. So, welcome back to our channel where we react to Beanie videos. So, my best friend who's not a P-pop fan or a Beanie fan will be reacting to different Beanie videos. So, we've done several videos. I think the last one we uploaded was for Cherry on Top.
And... ano pang title? Latest nila. Wait, huwag mo sabihin. Blink twice.
Okay, so guys, may nagme-memo plus gold siya. So, okay, wag niyo masyadong take it to heart. Anyway, so I decided for the next video, kasi we've watched yung more popular songs or MVs ng Beanie, which are Patropico, Salamin Salamin Carrera, and then yung nga, Blink Twice, Cherry on Top. So now, I've decided, ako talaga nag-decide. Okay, naghihintay kami ng suggestions nyo. Pero anyway, since wala pa, I said na, let's react naman dun sa first single nila, yung debut single nila, which is Born to Win. So, I know na may pre-release sila, like yung The Coconut na. Oo, pero dun muna tayo sa Born to Win, yung official talaga nila na debut single. Para parang full circle, diba? Makikita mo yung nasan sila ngayon and saan sila
start. 2021 to.
Oo, 2021, galing.
So, 4 years ago.
Oo, so 4 years ago. So, syempre, again, to set expectations. So, napanood ko na rin itong MV na to, okay, guys? Siya talaga hindi pa. And I don't think you've heard the song din. No?
Not sure.
Oo.
Most likely hindi.
Feeling ko hindi pa niya napaparinggan. So, anyway, so are you ready?
Yes. Ngayon may question ako. Lahat ba ng mga songs ng Beanie may music video?
Hindi lahat.
Okay, sige.
Yung iba mga live performance.
This is their first song na meron na ring MV.
To be fair,
first MV?
Hindi. May MV din yung The Coconut na.
Okay.
Ay, oo. Pero ito yung talagang MV na may theme.
May production.
Oo,
ganun. Okay,
kasi parang sobrang simple lang The Coconut. Anyway, okay. Ay, by the way guys, if nagustuhan niyo yung mga reaction videos namin,
Blink twice.
please do subscribe to our channel and like our videos, this one also, and leave a comment. Okay,
Yes.
chikahin nyo kami guys if you have questions for us.
Ready?
Okay, push! Ikaw natin ang audio, baka makapirate. Nakalagay pa ABS-CBN. Sobrang bata pa nila dito. Actually, hindi ko pwede siya napapanood ng buong buo. Parts lang.
Talaga?
Oo, yung dance practice yung lagi ko napapanood.
Nakakatakot ba ito?
Pero I love this song.
Yeah, I felt it, and I've been there. New different places. I've been feeling like I don't know the power in it. It took me a few days to finally understand. Got to push on.
Again na.
Years only made me strong. I used to be so careless, but now I'm more than fearless. Don't stop yourself, 'cause the world is ours, we're made to be broken. But we won't stop. So let me hear it, I'm on it. Now every step we take, I know we break. There's nothing we can do. When it's hard to stage, you get up to me. There's nothing you can do. Nothing hold us back. Let's make the moment last. Have the day to walk away, 'cause maybe we're born to be.
Okay. Unang-una, bagay talaga sa kanila yung white.
Alam mo,
Sobrang bata pa nila.
Iba yung thoughts ko. Yung paglipat nila ng damit, nung napanood natin before yung Blink Twice, yung nag-iiba yung damit, diba, from pastel to yung mga shiny cowgirl sequins. Ano, kung first video nila to, parang feeling ko alam na nung set producer or kung sino mang na darating sila sa ganung point. Kasi na-keep nila eh. Gets mo yung point ko? Parang from point A pa lang, may ganun na siyang theme for the music videos. Hanggang yun dun nga, dun sa most recent nila, which is yung sa Blink Twice, yung theme na
Opposites.
sumasayaw sila, tapos biglang
So,
iba yung costume.
feeling ko may message din kasi na parang they're trying to show different sides, yung
Ah.
mga ganun, diba? Kasi iba-iba naman. Pero, girl, pansinin mo, ang bata pa nila dito.
And yung, well, hindi ko alam kung dahil ba yun sa song, pero yung makeup nila hindi kasing boom. Yung mga makeup nila ngayon na may purple, may blue, may mga yung eyeshadow. This is very plain, but I'm not sure if it's because of the song or yung
Feeling ko kasi, at this point in their careers, diba, they were still at their infancy. Parang ganyan. So, remember the last time we said na parang, yung may identity na sila as Beanie, they already know who they are, ganyan.
So,
ito,
neutral.
or parang they're trying new things. Ako feeling ko,
yes,
and that's
yes.
how I'm interpreting it. Siyempre, new artists
Possible,
pa sila.
oo.
So, they're trying ganyan-ganyan. Pero sa akin kasi it works. At saka gusto ko yung fact.
Kasi like, pero like, kunwari, dito, hindi mo naman makikita asan si Mika na red.
Kasi nga, hindi
wala
wala
pa
pa
yung
yung personal,
character na-
na image,
Na through
yung
the
branding.
years, na-build nila na pagka pink, si
Stacy,
Stacy. Kapag red, si
Mika,
mga ganun.
Pero I mean, even before the pink girl na si Stacy. Pero anyway, ang point ko is,
pero...
gets kita. Pero, ano ba sabihin ko, hindi, I super love the fact na yung first single nila, yung official debut single nila, ganun yung message ng kanta. Narinig mo ba yung lyrics?
Hindi masyado.
We are born to live, born to make mistakes. Every boundary we break, every step we take. Ganyan. Tas we were born to win. Ganon.
Yes.
Diba?
Pwede
Yung parang,
fight song.
in-own mo na, diba? Na parang kasi totoo naman. Na, alam mo yun?
ngayon, my presence is a present.
Kasi na-break na nila yung
Na-breakthrough
boundaries.
Galing.
Okay, naghahang. Pasensya na po.
Listen up. Do this, do that. Just climb up the ladder and get by on the end. Sometimes it's harder, and all you need is some time.
Sobrang nene, nakakatawa.
It'll take you a few days.
Pero alam mo na agad na gaganda. Kanina maganda.
The failures only make you strong. I used to be so careless, but now I'm more than fearless. Don't stop yourself, 'cause the world is over, made to be broken. But we won't stop. So let me hear it, I'm on it. Now every step you take, don't do it break. There's nothing we can do.
There's nothing we can't do.
It's hard to see, just repeat it to me. There's nothing you can do. Nothing hold us back. Let's make the moment last. If you have it, then we'll fade away. 'Cause baby, we're born to win. Now I have found my confidence. There's only one me. Yeah, we were born to live, born to make mistakes. Every boundary we break, every step we take. Together we can go facing anything.
Hey, Queens!
Ang bata.
At saka, not for anything, right? Kasi magaling naman talaga sila. I mean, they wouldn't be presented as Beanie kung hindi. Pero nakikita mo, hindi pa sila. Ako, feeling ko lang naman, guys, and you can have a different opinion, right? Pero kasi ito, first debut nila, ganyan, nakikita mo na may kaba pa. Hindi pa yung, iba pa yung confidence
Iba yung
level.
confidence, yung pagkakanta.
Pati yung pag-artist sa MV mismo.
Kaya kanina naisip ko, if they were to sing the same exact song.
Ngayon,
now,
ibang level na.
yung,
Iba na. Oo. As in, may ano na, yung
may,
kilala na nila yung sarili nila. Pero I mean, it's not a bad MV. They're doing great. I'm just saying, compared to where they are now,
No.
yung growth nila.
I mean, even the personality, parang ngayon
Hindi pa
mo
nag-shine
makikita.
ng sobra yung pagka-individualities nila.
Yes.
Now every step we take, don't do it break. There's nothing we can do. When it's hard to see, just repeat it to me. There's nothing you can do. Nothing can hold us back. Let's make the moment last. 'Cause you have it, then we'll fade away. 'Cause baby, we're born to win. We're born to win.
Ayun na.
Ano to, Dan?
Yung next video.
Ay, may
Hindi
mga
pa tapos? May kwento yata. Sorry guys, hindi ko pa talaga siya napanood ng end-to-end. Hindi, pinapakilala na sila. Kasi nga, debut. Iba pa yung colors nila. Purple si Malone. Orange. Oh, yun nga. Hindi pa nila hindi pa sila, ano.
Wala mo, paano ko lahat ng MD na ganyan? Haba pa eh, oh.
Ayun na nga.
Born to win.
Ang ganda, di ba? I mean, okay. Sinasabi nga natin na baby pa sila, ganyan-ganyan. Pero, yung fact na born to win, yung papaniwalaan mo na
That's
talaga,
true.
they were born to win, they were born to be
And
stars.
now, di ba?
Oo.
Asan na
Iba
sila?
ang bite.
Galing.
Pride of the Philippines, Nations Girl Group A.
Mag-world tour pa.
True.
Oh, if symptoms persist. So, eto dance naman noon.
Oo.
So, matagal na rin to na-upload itong video na to.
Oy, kasi na-release nung ano eh.
Oo. 3 years ago.
Pero feeling ko late release na kasi kung 2021 yung ano.
Or
Ibig
baka
sabihin,
nirelease yung song ng 2021, 2022 na yung
nirelease yung
video.
music video. Okay guys, di ko sure bakit pixelated. Anong meron sa inyo?
Play mo na lang. Pag pinlay mo, normal yan. Oh, G.
Okay, G.
Tiwala lang.
Girl, di mo kita sino sumasayaw?
Nakikita ko.
Yeah, I felt it. And I
Girl.
think that
Okay guys, sorry. Let's try it
Baka
again.
ganun talaga yung...
Girl, ayusin natin. Bakit naka 720p naman? Pero
Ayan.
ganun. Ulitin po natin for the girls at the back.
Para mas ma-appreciate natin sila.
Oh,
Ayan!
Ayan. O, kaya mo na bang
Oo,
pangalanan? O, sige, pangalanan mo. Joke lang. Okay, later na tayo mag-review. Ayan na. Oh my God, ang linaw pa.
Ang laki ng studio.
Yeah, I felt it, and I've been there. Through different places, I've been feeling
Gusto mo yung may
like I don't
notepad?
know about it. It took me a few days to finally understand. Got to push hard.
Sobrang nene nila.
Years only made me strong.
So, sobrang nene nga nila nakanipat. Hindi, alam mo, feeling ko naman kailangan kasi
Oo nga, luhod
mangingitim.
ng luhod.
Mangingitim yung tuhod mo dyan.
I used to be so careless, careless. But now I'm more than fearless, fearless. Don't stop yourself, cause the body's ours and made to be broken.
Also, can I just say, tinan mo yung mga, yung pinanood natin before na mga dance practices nila. Yung damit nila, yung talagang, ano yung huli?
Cherry on top.
Cherry on top. Red, di ba?
Nasa US
So,
sila, no?
lahat sila may parang red na ano.
Napag-usapan yung
alam
theme,
mo-
yung colors.
Alam mo, branded, ganyan. Eto kasi, alam mo that it's just really a practice. Pero talagang, shirt or jogging pants, ganun. Even yung dance practice, parang yung ngayon, may sarili na siyang signature. Alam mo yun?
Feeling ko kasi the difference is, so ito talaga, they're shooting actual dance practice.
Oo.
Yung sa ngayon, like yung cherry on top, may production na siya eh, di ba?
Oo.
Kasi parang sinabi,
Yeah.
okay, mag-shoot tayong dance practice
Oo.
ngayon. Ito siguro parang after nung practice,
Oo.
okay, video natin. Ganun.
Like ngayon, may orange, may red, may blue,
Oo,
may white,
oo.
alam mo yun. Pero yung mga recent na napapanood natin, and, I mean, sobrang laki nung naging job.
Oo.
Yun lang.
Ay, hindi, pero kasi aesthetics lang yun.
Oo, exactly.
Di ba?
Exactly.
Pero like yan, nakita mo na agad talent nila,
Oo.
yung sayaw nila.
Stop, we won't stop. So let me hear it, I'm on it.
Kahit siguro sobrang nene, oh. Diba ang ganda ng kanta? Hey.
Listen up. Do this, do that. Just climb up the ladder and give by up at the end. Sometimes it's harder, and all you need is some time. It'll take you a few dead ends to finally understand. Got to push harder. The failures only make you strong. I used to be so careless, careless. But now I'm more than fearless, fearless. Don't stop yourself, cause the world is ours. So let me hear it, I'm on it now.
Baby
Every step we
Mika.
take, don't do it break. There's nothing we can do. We make it hard to see, just repeat after me. There's nothing you can do. Nothing can hold us back.
Okay, going back lang. Iniisip ko kasi hindi pa rin nila kilala yung sarili nila dahil bata pa sila. So, kung ano yung style kong magdamit.
Oo.
Kasi kung kung ako, at least I notice, right? Kunwari, si Mika bias ako eh. So, kung paano siya magdamit dati, dun sa ngayon.
Pansin mo yung difference.
Nahanap niya na yung kung sino siya as a person, yung confidence niya. As Mika.
Okay.
So, alam niya na kung paano yung
Ah.
gusto niyang damit, yung mga ganyan. Kasi, ang dami niya rin tinry na styles before eh. So, nagpa-plaid, yan, button
talaga?
down, mga ganyan. Pero ngayon, alam niya na yung gusto
Pero
niya.
ang isa pa napansin ko dito, although mahirap na rin yung steps, it's not as yung palit-palit ng formation nila. It's not that, like now na ang OA, and alam mo yun, parang lahat
Ang
sila.
OA in a good way, guys, to clarify.
Oo, I mean, ang galing ng paglipat-lipat, ang bilis. Parang dito pa lang, makikita mo na agad na may potential sila as a group, di ba? Na, I mean, hindi siya ganun yung pagkasabay-sabay. Yung ngayon talaga parang ultimo pitik ng kamay, sabay-sabay sila. And yung mga facial expressions, ngayon mas may facial expression. Yung iba, I mean, yung sa ngayon, parang medyo, okay, parang dancing, ganyan.
Kasi feeling ko, yung dancing together as a group, as an 8-member girl group, parang kailangan mo rin i-build. Yung
chemistry.
yun.
Yeah.
Tsaka,
galing.
I mean, yun nga, alam mo sinasabi nga ng girls, parang they really started sa humble beginnings. Like yan, wala pa silang stylist na personal, yung ganyan-ganyan. Pero nakikita mo na they can reach the heights that they're aiming for with hard work.
The full potential.
Oo, and yun yung makikita mo from every step na nagbabago, nagaganyan, to where they are now.
I mean,
As in,
this was taken 3-4 years ago, di ba?
Oh,
And
imagine
nasa na sila
kung,
ngayon.
alam mo yun, in 10 years, gano'n na sila kagaling. I mean, wala lang. Ay, naglo-loaded siya. Kasi mo ko daw ito.
Let's make the moment last. That you haven't been, won't fade away. 'Cause baby, we were born to win. Now I have found my confidence. There's only one me. Yeah, we were born to live, born to make mistakes. Every boundary we break, every step we take. Together we can go facing anything. Now every step we take, don't do it break. There's nothing we can do. When it gets hard to see, just repeat it to me. There's nothing you can do. Nothing can hold us back. Let's make the moment last. 'Cause you have to then won't fade away. 'Cause baby, we're born to win.
Pero sobrang bata ni Colette.
Sobrang nene pa nila.
Oo.
Ang galing.
Cutie.
Nakakakilig, isipin na, oh my God, nag-start sila
Dito
na
nagsimula.
ganyan. Dreamers. Ganun yun. Tapos ngayon, they found,
Pupunta na sila sa US.
wait, tagal nila mawawala.
Gano'ng katagal sila?
Parang 2 months. Parang hanggang June, end of June yata
Pero
yung
sana naman hindi sila super pagod. Paano ba? Every 3 days ba?
Feeling ko normal naman siya. Kasi syempre nandun ka na eh. Kailangan namang masyadong hahaba yung expenses mo kung matagal yung intervals. At saka kasi,
Sana makapagpahinga sila.
so I'm sure meron namang pahinga in the middle of, right? And even if like every other day man yung schedule, sorry I forgot yung calendar. No, I forget. Ang sa akin kasi, hindi bago yung ganun. Like kunwari si Sarah. Kasi ako, sorry guys, so fan ako ni Sarah ever since nalo siya ng Star for a Night. So I've been following her career talaga. Avid fan. As in kung ano yung level ko sa Bini ngayon, ganoon din ako kay Sarah. So, I feel like normal siya when you want to reach a certain stage. Yung parang household name ka talaga. And your hard work will pay off. Kasi tinan mo, like Sarah, sila Regine, kahit sino pang bagong dumating, nandyan na sila. Hindi sila mawawala. Dahil namuhunan sila doon ng dugot pawis. And yun din ang gagawin ng Bini.
Hugot ngayon si Regine kasi nanood siya.
Nanood ako kagabi. Ay, hindi.
Yeah.
Nung isang, kailan ba yun?
Basta weeks ago, 2 or 3 weeks ago.
Oo. Basta nanood ako ng concert.
Medyo naiyak-iyak siya, medyo emotional siya, ganyan.
Mm.
So, ang point niya is, after years, diba? I mean, years to come, hindi natin alam kung ano pa ang mararating ng Bini. Pang ilang world tour ba?
Pero feeling ko papunta na sila doon. Yung ako kasi, ako, like kunwari, si Regine, I put her on a different level. Tapos after her, Sarah.
Yeah.
Yung ganyan. So parang feeling ko, si Bini at this point, sa Blink Twice, sa Cherry on Top, papunta sila doon.
Yeah, although of course, ibang category kasi syempre,
girl group.
Girl group yan. But yun, ang ganda makita kung saan sila
Nag-start,
nagsimula.
yung humble
Until now.
beginnings nila. And I'm so proud.
cutie.
I'm so proud. Grabe yung growth.
Yeah.
I mean, sobrang bata. I mean, how old were they here? 16, 17, 18? Ano ginagawa mo nung 17 ka? Iinom ka?
Nag-aaral.
Aral.
Good job, girls.
Good job. Okay, we love you, Beanie. Okay, guys, so thank you for watching this reaction. So again, if you liked our reaction, please like this video and subscribe to our channel. And of course, don't forget to leave a comment.
And blink twice.
Stream Blink Twice. Thank you. Bye.
Bye.